Are you facing the aftermath of a house fire in Lima, Ohio, and unsure what to do next? This video is for you. Fire damage can be overwhelming, leaving you with structural issues, smoke damage, insurance stress, and costly repair quotes. Many homeowners believe they must fix the damage before selling, but that is not true. You have other options. You can sell your fire-damaged house as is, without the burden of repairs, cleanup, or contractor costs. Central Ohio Real Estate Investment LLC specializes in helping Lima OH homeowners sell fire-damaged properties quickly and easily, just as they are. We assist with all types of fire and smoke-damaged homes, including vacant houses, insurance claim situations, and properties with structural damage. Whether your property has major structural damage, smoke damage, or you are facing an insurance claim situation, we can help. Our process is simple: property details review, condition assessment, and explanation of your selling options. We offer real solutions for difficult properties with no pressure, no repairs, and no hidden fees. Serving Lima, OH, and Central Ohio, fire-damaged homes are a specialty service area for us. Get help today by visiting our website to learn more about selling your fire-damaged house.